Introducing the Vitesse 50-inch Ultra-Thin Electric Fireplace, a versatile and stylish heating solution that combines modern design with advanced functionality. This electric fireplace offers multiple installation options, energy-efficient heating capabilities, and a mesmerizingly realistic flame effect. Join us as we delve deeper into the features and benefits that make this electric fireplace a compelling addition to any living room or bedroom. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Installation versatility. One of the standout features of this electric fireplace is its installation flexibility. It can be recessed, semi-recessed in the wall, or wall-mounted, making it suitable for various room layouts. The slim profile of just 3.86 inches ensures that it won't be obtrusive on the wall. This versatility allows it to seamlessly integrate into different living spaces, provided it's kept away from other appliances. Number 2. Energy efficiency. This electric fireplace offers two heat settings, 750 watts and 1500 watts, which can be adjusted to suit your heating needs. This dual-mode functionality not only provides warmth, but also helps save energy. The supplemental zone heating can effectively warm up an area of up to 400 square feet. The inclusion of an ETL certificate, approved safety feature, and auto heat kill safety ensures peace of mind while using the heater. Additionally, the heating element maintains the natural humidity in the air, preventing the room from becoming too dry. Number 3. Realistic flame effects. One of the highlights of this electric fireplace is its ability to create a realistic flame display. It offers 12 flame colors, 5 flame speeds, and 12 ember bed color lighting options. The full-spectrum LED technology produces a captivating visual experience, with flames that appear natural and engaging. The flames slowly emerge from the source and gracefully move to the top of the fireplace, creating a mesmerizing effect. Number 4. User-friendly controls. Controlling this electric fireplace is a breeze due to its user-friendly interface. It comes with a remote control and a touch-screen panel, allowing you to easily manage all its functions. You can control the power, set a timer for 1 to 8 hours, independently switch heating and flame features, and adjust flame color and speed. The inclusion of a sleep mode function lets you enjoy the ambience while keeping the lights dimmed for a cozy atmosphere. Number 5. Warranty and support. Vitesse stands behind the quality of its products with a 1-year worry-free warranty. This means that if you encounter any quality issues within the first year of ownership, you can expect free replacement or parts. The manufacturer's commitment to customer satisfaction is reassuring and demonstrates their confidence in the product's durability. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 3.85 inches depth by 50 inches width by 18.11 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 6 reasons to buy. Multiple installation options for versatile placement. Energy saving with adjustable heat settings, 750 watts/1500 watts. Realistic flame effect with 12 colors and 5 speeds. Ember bed lighting with 12 color options. User-friendly remote and touchscreen controls. Sleep mode for peaceful nights. 1 reason not to buy. Heater is primarily designed for supplemental heating, not as a primary heat source. Conclusion. The Vitesse 50-inch ultra-thin electric fireplace combines aesthetics, functionality, and convenience in one elegant package. With its various installation options, energy-saving features, realistic flames, and user-friendly controls, it offers a delightful way to enhance the ambience and comfort of your living space. Plus, the added peace of mind provided by the warranty and customer support makes it a compelling choice for those looking to upgrade their home heating and decor. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.